Richard, Karma, Brooklyn, Braden, and Acacia. And we're taking our crazy RV from Saskatchewan to Nova Scotia on the 100K Get Kids to Camp Challenge.
Just finished at Stoney. We're heading to Manitou Lake Bible Camp now, so we have to drive all the way across Saskatchewan.
That is why we pack a vacuum in our camper, because driving on roads like this that are just gravel and so dusty, we get to our next destination and we have to pull out the vacuum. And I'm bringing a mop too on our big trip, because I will have to vacuum then mop every time we're on a gravel road. Although I'm guessing Saskatchewan will be more gravel roads than possibly when we're in other places.
Yeah, we're just off the beaten path here, following Google Maps.
Welcome to Manitou Lake Bible Camp.
Manitou Lake Bible Camp, like many camps, started a long time ago. 1940, they started doing camp in a local farmyard. Some families that really wanted to see the gospel shared with the next generation. And so they cleaned out grain bins, a workshop, and ran a couple weeks of camp. And that grew over the years into what we have today, where we run for 2 solid months of summer programming, plus some spring and fall programming around that as well, with the one purpose of sharing the good news of Jesus Christ.
Have you ever been to Manitou Lake Bible Camp? We want to know. Comment below, tell us stories, tell us when you went to this camp.
Similar to Stoney, Manitou Lake Bible Camp has a 40-foot climbing wall. This side's not done. It's the other side that we're actually going to be climbing on. And Braden's going to go up, and I think Brooklyn's going to go up.
I might go up.
Do you like climbing walls? What's your favorite climbing wall that you've seen so far on our tour? If you want to test it, you can go up a little way.
There's no rocks.
To be fair to Braden, his side is much more difficult. Some of the rocks are moving, and there's one that's missing that's sort of key to getting up, so we'll see if he can get past that point, or if he will have to go on Brooklyn's side or not. Oh, is it like letting go at the top?
God, it's funny because it feels like there's a helicopter landing up there.
Oh, it's been so windy.
Yeah, all I could hear was just like. I was like, I felt like when I let go, I thought I was gonna like fly over there.
I'm impressed that she's climbing with her cowboy boots. Yeah. Or whatever she has. Her riding boots.
You want to go a little farther and touch that behind? Good work.
As a kid, I had no issue with this at all, but I don't know. As I got older, suddenly I developed a fear of heights. Yeah.
You get smarter and you have to live.
My fight or flight mechanism kicks in a little sooner than it should.
You've done really good on this trip though, Richard, trying some things that I thought you would never do.
And you didn't even do.
We're on the road doing the 100K Get Kids to Camp Challenge, and we're so excited about it, about getting kids to camp, and we know that you are too. Thank you so much for watching this video, but we need you right now just to take a moment, pause the video, head to ourcrazyrv.com and click on the Donate Online button. That'll take you to One Hope Canada's donation page where you can donate and help send a kid to camp. This gazebo here is one of the things that I actually really like.
It's a very fantastic view at Manitou Lake Bible Camp. It's just like you can see for so far, and the lake is great.
So it is super windy out today, but we're still going to go on the #1 Manitou Lake Bible Camp attraction, the merry-go-round.
Yeah.
Okay, some of us are. I'm not going
You're
on
not
this
gonna
thing.
go on this. I'll go on.
Yeah.
I'm not a big swirl
I don't like going around in circles. I'm
No,
sorry.
I don't either. But Seth might have to help us out with this. Is like a super old attraction to Manitou.
Built in the 1950s by some farmers of all people. We've maintained it and enjoyed it ever since. It's gotten much safer, and we've added seatbelts and rules to make it safer. But yeah, this is an iconic Manitou experience right here.
I'm not a rides person at all. Like,
Yes and no.
I literally can't handle it, so I don't even try. I'm sorry.
I'm just not gonna walk.
This is like an amazing amusement ride that they have at camp of all places. It's super fun. How was that?
Yeah, backwards.
Backwards? I didn't know backwards was a thing.
Yeah.
I already said, snack shack coming to us. Or tuck. I don't know what they call it here. We'll have to ask.
What's this called?
Frozen yogurt bar. Actually, this is frozen yogurt?
You know,
He said
Is
it
it-
was kind of like it.
Is it called melon? Is that the name of it?
Melon.
It's melon flavored.
strong.
This is melon flavored and the other one's strawberry.
It's melon flavored. I don't know the brand name.
Yeah, it started with an M-E. It was like melana or something. Melanoma. What is that?
That's a cancer. Not so good with the words we are. But these are...
Usually you're like, every time we talk about that hike, we're like, Edith
Carvel.
Cavell. No, it's not Carvel.
I thought it was Carvel. We have to go back and watch the video to know what the hike is called.
No,
it's Cavell.
Cavell.
Because you say
And
it wrong on the video.
Every time we correct you, then you're like, okay, oh yeah, Cavell. And then you're like, Edith Carvel. Like right away you say it wrong again.
That was a good hike. If you've never done the Edith Cavell hike, check it out on our YouTube channel. Look up Edith
fuck
Cavell
with
hike outside Jasper. I don't know how to actually show you how much the camper's moving.
Record the curtains.
Well, the curtains are...
An indication of the wind for sure.
Of course it dies down as soon as...
Yeah, it's like... We're going down to shoot some guns. We'll see you there.
We're gonna shoot some 22s here at Manitou. They have 22s. Normally at a lot of camps we've been to, I guess Valley View has 22s as well, but you'll often see pellet guns. So 22s is a rare opportunity we get to shoot, and we're here at the range. We're gonna see who gets the most points. Is this your new driving look?
Yeah, my eyelashes are hitting the...
Oh, your eyelashes are too big. Too fancy.
I don't even have fake eyelashes.
Like a lot of people come from the city and never seen a gun or even shot a gun before, and then coming here and being able to shoot 22s or pellet guns it's really good experience.
I know you are.
I hope that you can hear us in this wind, but here's our results. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11. No.
Brooklyn got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. I only missed 3 of them.
No.
I also got really close
Didn't
to the
we
middle.
get 10 each? 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4.
You got all of them on yours.
And Braden got 8 as well.
I got all 10 shots in the black.
Karma blew us out of the water.
Is this what Grant?
Okay, so here's the competition. Brooklyn and Braden are going against me, shooting at these tree targets down there. And they're shooting at the yellow ones and I'm supposed to shoot at the red. And so the way that it works is if the whole tree turns one color, then that team wins. Or once we run out of shells, then we just count the total that are left showing. So we'll see how this goes. Ah!
Oh, it like
Hey.
Ah! Stop it! Woo!
I had to hit one, but it didn't go all the way.
Oh shoot.
And then it came back.
Hey, I hit that one like
You guys
5
did
times.
good against him actually. I'm very impressed.
Round number 2, we've got Acacia and Karma going against AJ. We didn't know Karma could shoot this well.
I didn't know I could shoot either. I haven't missed. My breath.
So you're looking for this side?
All right, that's all, and I guess we declare a winner. Team Yellow win.
There you go.
Keisha, we still won.
What do you say about that?
Well, it was unexpected. I actually thought my first round that I shot was just luck,
Yeah.
but I actually feel like there's a little bit of skill that I have.
You should get some of these as a gift when you get married. Horsemanship at Manitou Lake Bible Camp, and I haven't ridden a horse in probably 20 years. You don't get the opportunity when you're actually working day to day, and so much fun. If you've never ridden a horse, you have to make sure to head out to camp. They're super excited that you're here.
Trying.
Okay, Richard, let's show us what you got here.
Oh, I haven't done this in like 20 years.
Yeah.
Your brow bands at like the very end.
Yes?
And
Hey.
look how cute you are in your helmet.
I'm doing this for you guys. Because I know how awesome horses are. Except for Thunder.
Except for Thunder.
Come on, buddy.
There we go.
We've upgraded to a better bridle putter on her.
Oh, is there any?
I'm on my horse Thunder here. Thunder and I have become best friends. And we're making our way around the edge. He's actually doing really good. He's got lots to say though. It's my first time riding a horse in probably about 20 years, and my first time ever using split reins, which I'm not even sure what split reins are, so I assume reins that are not tied together, that are separated.
Something that I think is pretty cool about this barn is that in the mangers, instead of having like a metal one that runs across like the whole thing, there's these like separate buckets, which I think are pretty handy if you have to clean them out and stuff. And then it would also be handy because if the bale is somewhere else, you can just take the whole bucket over there and then put food in it and then take it back, instead of dropping half the hay when you're walking over here with it.
I think Seth said that it's not normally this windy out at the beach, but we are going out into the wind now. This is like Brayden's favorite activity ever. So this is a saltwater lake in the middle of Saskatchewan, and you're supposed to be able to float in here, so maybe this would be the one place in the world where I can actually float and I don't sink like a stone. Update on the lake, it's a little cold, but a little windy, but we're doing okay. It's quite sandy, quite nice. A little bit of seaweed. Brayden has retreated.